school. It is, I don't know why, I'll just go ahead and check the time. It's 4:43. And I got home a little bit later because today I had to stay after school and I had to take a mock exam for my medical assisting class today. It was just like a practice test for whenever we take our real one in May. I don't really have that much homework to do today, but I do have things that I can be getting done. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get some of that work out of the way so that this weekend I can do what I want to do. I'll talk to y'all later. Alright, so it's a little bit later. And I was sitting here eating these Lay's barbecue chips. Can you see them? Yeah, so I was sitting here eating these, and it reminded me of the time that I was in the 6th grade at lunch, and this boy, who was my friend, was sitting next to me while I was eating these chips. You know how the barbecue flavored chips have like seasoning on it? So I remember that I licked it, like I licked the seasoning off of it, and I was like talking to my friend across from me, and this little boy was sitting next to me, and he took the chip from my hand, the licked chip, and he ate it. And I was like, ew, because I licked it, and I told him that. He was like, it's just you. But that was disgusting. That just reminded me, these chips reminded me of that time in 6th grade. This little boy, who I still go to school with now, he ate my licked chip. That's pretty gross. Good morning, y'all. Today's Wednesday, but it's basically Thursday because I got a 4-day weekend. So tomorrow is basically Friday. I'm just getting ready to go to school. I don't know why I wanted to come on here and talk. I feel like I have to tell you something, but I don't remember now. It's like 6:30, I think. And last night I put my hair into some braids, but I wanted a side part. So I braided it with this front one to the side so that it'll probably like stay over there a little bit more, because my true part is the middle part, and that's the way like my retightenings go, like down the side of my face like this. So I thought that I would try to cover that up a little bit by making this braid go this way. That's not what I want to tell you, but that's all that I can remember. So, oh yeah, I do remember what I want to tell y'all. So, lately my hair has been very, very dry, and I know that's probably supposed to happen, but I'm talking about like not brittle, but probably getting there. And I don't know, I've been experiencing it in the last week or so. And y'all know that I bought this Carol's Daughter like moisture and shine leave-in thing, right? And I've been using it for the smell, so I haven't been like, you know, drenching my hair in this. But my mama was using this leave-in. She started using it before I did, and she said that it made her hair feel dry and that it made it feel like it had like a coating on it. I didn't really know what she was talking about until yesterday whenever I wore my hair in a puff and I felt it, and I realized that it is very dry. I don't really know if it's dry because of that or if it's just dry because like I'm outside a lot because I have track. So I don't know like if I should start spraying like a heat protectant in my hair, because it gets really hot down here and I don't want my hair to be like brittle, you know, and breaking off. So if you know anything about that, please let me know. I think that I might stop using this because she said that this is why her hair was dry. It made her hair feel dry. So I don't know, but I feel like it could be that or it could be the heat. Okay, so I'm done. It looks like that worked. You see how flat it is? Like it's laying like a true side part. That's what I was going for. So my hair, it looks cute. Even though it still feels dry. I don't know, y'all. You know what? I don't want to use any more commercialized products. I just want to stick to my old water mixture. Because I don't know why my hair is feeling so dry. Like I said though, it could be the heat, so I can't just write this stuff off. But yeah, my hair looks cute though. Alright, let me get to school. Bye y'all. Why'd I do that? Bye y'all. Let me get to school. Hey y'all. Today's Wednesday. No, today's Thursday. And it's like 8 o'clock at night, I think. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what my mom's hair is looking like because she's 4 months in to her microlock journey. We're not gonna be doing like every month updates, but just like, you know, periodically. I want to be keeping y'all updated with what her hair looks like. So this is gonna be her first check-in, I guess. 4 months. So come on in, mama. So this is what my mama's hair is looking like. It looks so good. It feels like a sponge. So she started her hair off 4 months ago with about 8 to 10 inches of hair, and her hair type is 4C. I don't know if y'all can, you probably can't tell from here, but she has 4C hair. Is this a braid out or a twist out? Because it look like it's like some of them are clumped together like this. So I'm thinking that, is it a braid out or a twist out?
It's a twist out.
Okay, so this is a twist out. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you a close up of what her hair looks like. Okay, so that was a close-up of what my mama's hair is looking like. We didn't show you the grid because she's due for a retie. I don't know if y'all could really tell. Our hair is looking the same right now, but my hair is a lot frizzier than hers. Her hair is locking really well. I'm gonna be posting my lock update sometime this week, so y'all will be able to see that. But yeah, that was my mama's hair. Today is Friday. I've just been doing some spring cleaning with the clothes in my closet and in my drawers and everything like that. I'm just trying to get it all together. So I have a pile of clothes that I don't know, y'all. I have some skirts right here. Some shirts right here that I'm going to hang up. Shirts and bodysuits. This is the stuff that I'm going to take to Plato's closet. And then this is the stuff that I'm going to give to Goodwill. Now, not all of it is done yet. Y'all can see I haven't even touched the tip of the iceberg. That's all the progress that I have made so far. I got clothes in this laundry basket over here that I need to go through. I need to get all this stuff together. I need to basically, what they say, get my life. Yes, that's what I need to do. But it's such a beautiful day outside. I want to go outside and do something, even if it's just to like just sit out there. So that's just what's going on. Not much, but yeah, I'm just cleaning out these clothes because I don't even wear half of the stuff. It's just taking up space at this point, so I just need to go through it, or continue to go through it, because I've been doing it for a long time now. If I can get all this done today, it would be awesome. I don't feel like doing this. I'm tired of doing this. I want to go outside and chill. But I do need to get this done, so let's go. This, I'm going to give this away because it's really cute and in good condition, because I hadn't worn it that much. But it just fits me weird now. I don't know, I gotten a little taller since last summer, and it just, like the band, like where the waist goes, is just too high up on me. So I'm gonna give this one away. Now, I'm pretty sure y'all have seen this skirt before. I'm gonna give this away because this is so pretty. It's such a cute pink color, and it's like, it looks handmade, to be honest. I think that I thrifted this skirt, actually. It looks handmade. It's great quality. The structure of the skirt is awesome. It has like a little scallop detailing at the bottom of it. Only problem is I can't fit it anymore, so I need to give this one away too. I have these shorts that I made actually from a pair of jeans that I distressed. I have a video of it up on my channel. It's like a DIY type of thing that I posted like last year. So if you want to see how I made these shorts, then I'll have it like in the eye so that y'all can watch that. But these are still good quality. The jeans are nice, but I don't know if I want to keep it or not. I think I'm just going to keep it. What's it going to hurt? This is the problem. The mindset. I need to get rid of things, not keep it, because what's it going to hurt?
How do I feel about being a member of the Information Society? That's a difficult question because I didn't know we were in the Information Society.
Okay, so I think that's gonna be it for now. My head hurts, so I'm gonna come back and tackle the laundry basket that's over there. So I'm gonna tackle that next, and then lastly it's gonna be the drawers. Hey y'all, today's Saturday. So this morning I went to go volunteer for the hospital. We were hosting like an Ironman Kids race. We helped out with like setting up, face painting. We were like assisting the kids as they did like the mile and 2 mile. Not 2 mile, they did half a mile and a mile. So it was so cute seeing all those little kids run around. It was like 500 kids that showed up this year. Last year I heard from one of the volunteer coordinators that only 100 kids showed up last year, but this year it was like 500 plus kids, so that was cool. Okay y'all, so it's a lot later, it's hours later. I actually just got done taking my acrylics off. I have acetone all over my hands. I need you to be able to see what I'm talking about. Okay, do you see that? That is acetone all over my hands. I still wasn't able to fully get the acrylics off all the way, but I'm just gonna stop here for tonight because I feel like I was just damaging my nails even further. It's this 100% pure acetone by the brand Onyx Professional. I got this from Walmart a little while ago, like a couple of months ago. Y'all, and I tell you, it was some work, it was some work. I used this and also like a nail scraper. Let me get it so I can show you. This is the tool that I use. So I switch between soaking my hands in that acetone and using the ends of this tool to like scrape. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy to have my nails back. Like, they're all nubby now because I cut them. I like them and all, but I was just like, I was ready for it to come off because they were kind of lifting from the base a little bit. That's about it. I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Happy Easter, by the way. It's gonna be Easter when you're watching this, so happy Easter. I'll talk to y'all tomorrow, or yeah, basically tomorrow, but you won't be able to. See you later, and I'm out.
One of the best to ever do it.